What's up, everyone? It's been a while since we've seen each other. I mean, I feel like I haven't made a video in at least 8 months. Definitely too long, but I feel like the only time I have time to make videos for YouTube is in the winter and the off season because the summer, spring, and fall are just so busy. This is going to be just like any of my other videos, a really short video. I'm just going to talk about my desk setup because I think those videos are always cool. I always enjoy watching those. So yeah, if you want to check it out, feel free to stick around and let's jump right into it. All right, so my desk has totally changed in the past year. We'll start with the M1 Max, which is an absolute beast. I pretty much maxed it all out. The only thing I didn't do is I kept it to 2 TB of storage. Thought that was more than enough. I didn't really see the need to get a full 8 TB on the Macbook. Just wasn't for me, but maybe it's for you. So moving over to our right, we have our Dell monitor. It's a 27-inch, and it actually just got released not too long ago. And the reason I went with this one over one of the LG screens that I was looking at was because every time I looked up the LG screens, a lot of the comments said they're having connectivity problems with the USB-Cs to the new MacBooks. So I just wanted to play it safe and go with a monitor that was newly released, and I've had no issues. The colors match up well. Obviously, the blacks on any monitor, unless you're spending a ton of money, aren't going to look as good as they do on the MacBook screens. The blacks won't look as black, but for the most part, it does a really good job. We'll continue moving to our right. Over here, we have some very old speakers that I've had for a long time. Back when I used to make music, I had these babies, the M Audio speakers. They sound really good. Would I recommend them? Probably not, because there's newer, better, smaller speakers that'll take up less space. And if I were to replace anything in this whole desk, it would probably be them, just because of the size. It's either that or get a bigger desk, but they sound great. Okay, so now we'll talk about my storage solution, which I actually have a whole YouTube video on, which you should definitely check out. Basically, what I use is I use a G-Tech RAID, and I have it set to RAID 0, which means the 2 drives aren't mirroring. It's just one drive. And then what I use to back up my storage, instead of using half the RAID to back it up. So I actually back it up to cheaper SanDisk drives that cost a lot less, and I don't really need a fast drive when I'm just keeping the storage as backup, so I'm fine with the slower drives for that. And I use my RAID to edit right off because it's super fast and efficient. So let's move on to the keyboard and mouse. I love this combo. They're both by Logitech. The keyboard is called the MX Keys, and the reason I love using both of them paired together is because how easy it is to switch from my MacBook. I also have a PC laptop where I do all my counting on, and all I have to do is press a button on the keyboard and mouse and it switches right over to that other computer, which I find super helpful. Other cool things to mention is with the software, you can customize your keyboard or mouse to do different things in different programs. For example, I could have the buttons do something different in Photoshop than they do when I'm using the web browser. We have the fast charger. Everyone has to have that, I guess, you know, for wireless charging these days. Our headphones, watches, phones, whatever you may have, it definitely comes in handy. So now the thing that everything is sitting on, we have our standing desk. I just got this from Costco. It was $500. It does the job well. I think in the future I would like a bigger desk. For the time being, this will get the job done. All right, so if you guys made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and hopefully, you know, I'll make some more videos this year and I'll catch you in those. So yeah, talk soon, and I will see you in the next one.